What's up guys, you're watching The Situ, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the PlayStation Remoteplay error. The error code is 8801330F Remoteplay error, and how to fix this. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are. Go to the settings. Here we are, go to the settings and then go to the network. You must check the DNS server. Sometimes the DNS is not working, that's why you are not going to connect with your Remoteplay, and must you just sign in your PlayStation app, PS app first, and then you just connect with your Remoteplay app on your other device, and then here we go to connect with the other devices, and you have a PS4 device or a PS5 device, and select which one you have and wait for the moment it will be connecting with your other device. You have an Android or iPhone, which one you have, you just connect it, and you must connect both devices with the same internet and it will be connected. So that's how that simply you can set this error or fix this error, sorry. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you. If you need any help, any other queries, just watch my videos, and see you soon for the next one.